With the app Joystick, you can control the telescope directly from your mobile phone. Use the on-screen joystick to move the telescope smoothly in any direction. You can also adjust the movement speed for finer or faster control. You can also invert the left, right and up, down directions. This makes movement more intuitive when you're looking through the telescope's eyepiece. The analog joystick works just like the app Joystick, but it's mounted directly on the telescope. Use it to move the telescope smoothly in any direction. You can change the movement speed and invert the control directions in the same way as in the app. Everything else functions the same, the only difference is that the control comes from the physical joystick instead of your phone. You can also move the telescope manually by hand. To do this, disable the stepper motors. This releases the axis and allows free movement of the telescope. Keep in mind that whether hand movement is possible depends on your mechanical setup, including the stepper installation, gears, and gear ratio. After moving the telescope by hand, you'll need to recalibrate it using a 1-star or 2-star alignment before using GoTo or tracking again.